Hi guys, it's Michelle. Welcome to my channel, Grateful Creations. I have an 11 by 14 level 2 canvas from Artist Loft, and I am going to do a cloud for. Now I'm going to be using some boom gels in this, and previously I had used their satin enamels. I don't have any made up, so going with the Decoart. Oh, by the way, Decoart is in stock at Michael's right now, so grab it if you can. Oh, wait a minute, I'm not quite. I'm not really good at this. It's not, there we go. Now it's level here, but it's not. Oh my God, there we go. Okay, so we have our 11 by 14 canvas here. I'm going to prep it. Oh, I just saw a bug about doing a monochromatic. I'm thinking I want to. I have got, this is boom gel, and look what I've got. Oh my goodness. This is called Controlling Your Paint. I put a bunch of these. I really like the glass bottles, but for some reason I am not able to control myself. So this is two boom gels mixed together. It is the mallee ringneck blue and the parrotfish green mixed together. And I was thinking about doing one just in this color, but I just don't know. And I have, this would be nice with it, Liquitex lime green, and that's mixed with Golden's green gold. We have, this is Golden Quinacridone Nickel Azo Gold. This is Smalt Hue from Golden. This is my green mixture that I still have hanging on to. Had a lot of it. And then this is Copper by Atelier Interactive. So it is copper. I don't know if I'm going to use it or not. So let's just get going, see what is happening. If things don't work out, you know me, it usually takes me 2 pours to get it down right. So let's move this paint around. I see something in there. Oh, it's still there, it's still moving. You always want to get those crusties out before you put your colors down. Woo! So this is pretty fluid. You also want to make sure you get enough of this base off too. You don't want too much on. You want a very, very thin layer. Yeah, hopefully you guys can take advantage of the Decoart satin enamels. I got 10 jars like I did last time. I still have, whoops, there we go. My camera must be moving. I don't know. This is weird. That looks straight to me, but it's probably not. So let's try to put down, oh, I don't know. Do I want to go different colors? Oh, I can't even get this off. There we go. Better control. It's hard to get these suckers off. I might put more of the Boom Gel down because I like that color. Okay. I also have some, oh, I wanted to put the blues down too. This blue, I swear, it just works. Works. Now I think if I do anything with the copper, I'll do it after. So let's tilt. Make sure you get off those edges and bring them back so that you can get those cells going. It's pretty thick. That green is kind of taken over. Although I do have more paint, I can always put more down. I love, this is the Boom Gel. And what else do I want to put next to it? The blue. The blue. Oh, there goes all the quinacridone of gold. It's all right, we've got some more on that corner. Oh, I see some coming up. This, oh, I just love this technique. Way too much fun. Oh, I'm losing all that green now. Oh my. Now I don't like that. Let me put, don't know, I've never tried this before. That's kind of cool. No wonky cells allowed. Funny thing is, if you get something that looks wonky on these pours, sometimes it turns out to be the best part of the pour. Hi, Chloe. How are you, sweetheart? That's the one that won't let me near her. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep this. I might do a monochromatic in the, I don't know. Let's just see. Let's just see. It's kind of cool. There's a lot to work with. There's nothing in the center. Now I don't like those. I think my base is a little bit too thick. We'll see. I'm going to torch it and I'm going to put you guys, look at that green coming through. That is so cool. I'm going to put you on time lapse. Torched up some tiny little bubbles. Let me pull these down. That looks really cool. still paint moving. Got most of that stuff off. We might be able to do something with that. That looks pretty cool. All right, guys, I'm gonna put you on time lapse. See you in a few. Hey guys, I'm really excited about this one. I guess using those little bottles really help. And there's just so much I love about this. I know the torch helped with some of the cells, but I don't care how they come. Right? Am I right? Yeah, I love that corner right there. And all these tiny little cells. Aren't they so cute? And then the green gold from Golden kind of bled into the white, which creates like a hazy effect, which I love. And then I doctored up that corner a little bit, just brought the color over. And here, I put a little bit of the copper in, but you can't even see it. It's getting eaten up. This is my favorite part. Little Dutch pour in the cloud pearl pour. Yeah, I might do a sister painting. Please like, share, and subscribe. Please be safe and create. Ciao for now.